Hi, my name is Felipe. I work as a consultant in the IT industry and I give Power BI 5 out of 5. Before Power BI, we were working on Excel spreadsheets and the visualization is good, but when you are sharing the file with multiple people in different location at the same time, Excel is kind of short and very much limited in some ways. So Power BI gave us the opportunity to expand easily. We chose Power BI because it was part of the Office 365 suite that we already had, and at the beginning it was very user friendly, very easy to use. So the first few steps were very intuitive, and the more we walk into Power BI, the more um, intelligence we saw in the tool. So that's why we choose to stick with it. Implement Power BI in our business was easy because it's a cloud-based solution. So it was just to log in, give the right licenses. So the deploy and the startup point was pretty quick. After that, it's just a few clicks to integrate your gateways with your source of data that you need to use. And it was pretty quick to start with. If you're considering Power BI, just go ahead. There are multiple trials and free licenses that you can start playing around. It's very easy and intuitive to play. So just go ahead and you will feel the power of the tool behind a user-friendly interface. There are multiple tutorials, documentation, and blogs, videos over internet that will help you guide through. It's a full universe, so don't be scared because you will see too much information. Just try to keep the basic, keep it simple, and you will gain experience the more you work on.